This is my Audi TT Mark II V6, and this car is a little bit smoky on startup. I want to see if this Lucas Oil engine oil stop leak can fix that. It says the user can expect less engine noise, higher oil pressure, and less oil consumption as the Lucas additives fill the space between the worn parts. Hopefully this can stop the smoke on startup, because it would be nice to not have that. Now this car has been sat for a while, so it's possible that it's just a bit gunky and there's just some stuff that needs clearing out, but let's see if this can sort it anyway. So the instructions for this stuff is pretty simple. You basically replace 1/5 of your oil with this stuff. So for example, if you had a 5 litre capacity, 1 litre would be this, 4 litres would be normal oil. Pretty straightforward. You can put it in when the engine is cold or hot. You just want to have the engine turned off before you start pouring it in, because otherwise it's just going to blow out. So I've actually used this already on one of my cars. I used it on my Toyota MR2 Mark III. I'll let you know how it went afterwards, but I'm pretty surprised with the results. Now this car takes 5.5 litres. It's a big old V6. So that means I need one of these and a little bit of this one. I've already emptied out 1.1 litres, which is 20% of the capacity of the engine. I'm going to pour in a whole bottle of this and 1/10 of this bottle. I'm just gonna eyeball it. It's not the end of the world if I get it slightly wrong. So I'm gonna pop the oil cap, give it a sniff. Yep, smells like an engine. It's super thick and viscous, this stuff. There we go. I'm gonna pop this new one. So it's basically just a super thick oil with some additives in it. Probably should wear gloves for that. You can see how thick and sticky it is. It's like a really thick honey. So you can squeeze the bottle and more will come out, but I like to just find a way you can prop it in and then you can just leave it. All right, and that has done its thing. Whip that up, there we go. So there's 1.1 litres of Lucas engine oil stop leak in there. Now we've got to drive the car normally for several days, and then over the course of maybe a week or 2 weeks, this should hopefully stop smoking as much. I don't know if it's gonna fix the issue, but hopefully it will make it a bit better. As I said before, I put this in my Toyota MR2 Mark III. It had pretty decent smoke coming out of the exhaust. It was only on startup, and I think it was oil dripping down from the valve stem seals into the combustion chamber, burning off. You would start the engine, drive the car for 5 minutes, and it would clear up. Now I'd put some of this stuff in. It's just been sat on my drive. I haven't been able to drive it that much, probably 50 to 100 miles. I think it's helped with the smoke. I think it's helped a little bit. I think with more driving, it would be even better, but it's not stopped the smoke. I did contact the seller and I explained the situation. I asked what I could expect. They said for older engines where there's significant damage, it's not going to stop the smoke. So has it worked so far? No. But let's see if it works for the Audi. So let me check back in a week and let's see what happens. Right, it's about 1 week later. I've been driving the car a little bit and we're getting like no smoke. It has actually fixed the issue. It is not snake oil, it actually works. Wow, I am very impressed. Right, if you like this, stay tuned. I'm gonna continue the Lucas Oil trend and we've got another product to test next week. But in the meantime, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.